Today, I'll show you how to safely replace the battery in your 2022 Buick Envision step by step. No confusion, no guesswork. First, make sure your SUV is parked on a flat surface with the engine off and the key out of the ignition. Open the hood by pulling the release lever inside the driver's footwell, then lift the hood and secure it with the prop rod. Locate the battery, usually near the front corner of the engine bay. Before touching anything, put on gloves and safety glasses. Car batteries contain acid and can spark. Start by disconnecting the negative black cable first. Loosen the nut with a wrench and gently pull the cable off. Then do the same for the positive, red, cable. Remove the battery hold-down clamp or bracket with a socket wrench and carefully lift the battery out. It's heavy, so 2 hands are best. Place the new battery in the tray, secure the hold-down clamp, and reconnect the positive red cable first, then the negative black cable. Close the hood, start your Envision, and you're good to go. Always recycle your old battery. Most auto shops will take it. Simple, safe, and done.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.